as the market pops up on 22nd November 2021. Yes, as it pops up on Monday, we need to be wary of another wave in Europe. Whether this portends to more lockdowns or another round of quantitative easing. Fertilizer prices in the UK have surged, and the annualized inflation in England above 13%. Will the repeal of farm laws trigger a similar demand for fertilizers in India and put pressure on in our inflation too? In the savanna fields of Venezuela, people have ditched their currency bolivar and started displaying price lists for haircut to hamburgers in flakes of gold. In Australia, the 6 billion Energy Industries Superannuation Scheme, EISS, is being continuously nudged by the regulators to merge with another stronger fund. Last week, talks with CBUS is in the air. If in the US, Biden finds Lael Brainard to be brainier than Jerome Powell, a change of guard at the Fed Reserve can also not be ruled out. Amidst these fractures, NASDAQ 100 continued its climb to 16,573. And the dollar index has also climbed above 96. At the other end of the seesaw, gold prices declined to $1,845 an ounce. And the Brent crude also softened to $78 per barrel. The 10-year US Treasury yield was almost 1.54. Indian rupee closed at 74.24 against the dollar, and in the coming week could move around 74. Our dollar reserves remained steady at 640 billion. The Nifty closed lower compared to last week at 17,765. Derivatives index VIX was also below 15, closed at 14.86. In the coming Thursday, the month-end contracts expire for settlement. The stock of Maruti Suzuki Limited has been wobbling during the recent week. On Thursday, when it closed at around 8,100, the MFI and RSI are in the mid-ranges of 65. But the spotting of a bearish harami can be seen. The shadow the red shadow of the bearish candle on the closing day was well within the bullish candle previous day. The Indian bond yield was almost unchanged, 10-year bond at 6.35%, while the 3-year IRS softened by 7 basis points to 5.16. The markets could continue to factor fears about government's profligacy with elections approaching in key states. Have an interesting week ahead.